Cleaned up.
Yeah, let him have it.
All right, y'all ready?
Wait a minute, wait a minute. Let's think this over. Now this is all for charity, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and we've raised a little money here.
Yeah,
So this has nothing to do with worker disgruntlement or anything like that?
No, get it.
Raise whose morale?
That one right there.
Alright.
Okay, let him have
Are
it.
you sure you defrosted that?
Oh, that's amazing.
Wow, she knocked my camera off.
How does that taste, Jim? How does that feel, buddy?
I opened my eyes just an instant before it hit.
How's that pie, Jim? Is that a good
Is
pie?
that a good pie, Jim?
That's a good pie.
That's a good pie, Jim.
Raise whose morale? Alright. I'm ready.